Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurhidayah Husna binti Muhammad Fadli. And in this presentation, I'm going to present about motherboard, processor and graphic card.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is maizatul aqilah binti Zakaria and my metric number is 2070496272 and I will present about speaker and headset.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is rabiatul annuha binti Rizwan and my metric number is 2020846694.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurhidayah binti Muhammad Nazri and I'm from IM 245. My metric number is 2020859204.
Okay, first, motherboard. Motherboard is a single platform that can connect to all of the parts of a computer together, and it is also considered as a backbone of a computer that ties the computer's component together at one spot. It connects the CPU, memory, hard drive, optical drive, video card, sound card, and other parts, and the expansion cards directly via cables. Without the motherboard, none of the computer pieces could be interact or function properly. And for the gaming, the best gaming motherboard can also offer a modicum of future proofing as much as anything can in this figure that fast moving PC technology landscape. Okay, next is processor. A processor or a microprocessor is a small chip that resides in computers and other electronic devices. Its basic job is to receive the input and provide the appropriate output. For the modern processor, it can handle trillions of calculations per second. And the central of processor of a computer is also known as CPU or central processing unit. And this processor handle all of the basic system instruction such as processing mouse and keyboard input and running the applications. Alongside the graphic card, one of the most important things or component when it comes to any forthcoming PC build, especially for gaming, is the processor. After all, the chipset acts as the beating heart of your computer, and it does all of the heavy lifting behind the scenes while you gaming, work, and kick back with the 4K content from a streaming service. Okay, next is graphic card. Graphic card is also known as graphic processing unit or GPU or video card. Is a specialized electronic circuit that accelerates the creation and rendering of images, video, and animations. It performs fast math calculation while freeing the CPU to perform other tasks. There are two kinds of GPU, which is integrated or embedded GPU that lives directly on and shares memory with the CPU, and the other one is a discrete GPU that has its own cards and memory. The GPU is an extremely important component of a gaming system, and in many cases, even more important than the CPU when it comes to playing certain types of games. The best graphic cards are the lifeblood of any gaming PC because of they are responsible for converting all of those zeros and ones into stunning pixels on your screen. Most of today's games ask a lot from GPU for processing 2D and 3D graphics, rendering polygons, mapping texture, and many more that require powerful and fast GPUs.
Headset for better gaming experience. Headset are popular and recommended item. The best PC gaming headset are designed to fully immerse you into the environment on your display, usually with crisp audio, thematic surround sound, and a high quality built-in microphone. Some users prefer using headphone because not disturbing roommate or neighbors at night. Mostly headphones come with microphone, so users can easily communicate with teams. The best gaming headset is not something to be overlooked. It can be offer a sense of genuine immersion. Few gaming accessories deliver. If don't want that immense in gaming to go to waste, a good gaming is a necessity. Speaker. The base of speaker. The best computer speakers may not be as ubiquitous as they once were, often replaced by the best gaming headset, but there's still a place in PC gaming for them. Being able to sit back, let the sweet sounds wash all over your body is something else. Having the bass notes of every explosion rumbling through your foundation will provide some spectacular sound for your games. The speaker-to-speaker wire is built and they are easy to set up. It's connect directly to Mac or PC. It works with the majority of major operating system, and you can even connect an additional device via its auxiliary input. Users have control over the volume and the features a gaming headphone connection. Speaker is suitable to user who has a gaming room, and user will not disturb others if they turn the volume up.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurhidayah binti Muhammad Nazri and I'm from IM 245. So today I will present about monitor and keyboard. Monitor. The best gaming monitor is an investment in the future of your whole gaming setup. A great screen will let your to likely span across multiple gaming PCs, so like a new graphic cards. It's worth spending as much as you can afford. You will reap the rewards. It's important to remember that the type of hardware inside your rig will help you guide towards which gaming monitor is right for you. There are few things you should know before buying one of the best gaming monitor. You will have to choose between 4K, which gives you sharper image but lower refresh rates, and 108dp, which favor responsiveness over resolution. Everything in within lands on the middle of the spectrum. There are also high dynamic range HDR, which helps you better color brightness but at a higher cost. Next is keyboard. Keyboard is one of the primary input devices that allow user to input text into a computer or any electronic machinery. It is a versatile device that is the most basic, easy to the user to communicate with a computer. The best gaming keyboard is a joy to game on and a breeze to type on, so it's absolutely worth making sure you are resting your digits on a great gaming keyboard when you are setting it for a session. Once have you find your feet, however, the sweet stick key press of your favorite mechanical switch will have your finger feeling less fatigue, response time swifter, and your key press more absolute. There are also room for much more personalization than rubber dome keyboard could deliver. From a smooth lineation to typewriter X, click about and a range of RGB lighting configuration, there's something for everyone in the land of mashboards. Thank you.
Okay, so we continue the slides with the computer cases option. So computer cases, are known as computer chassis, tower, system unit of cabinet, is the enclosure that contains most of the components of a personal computer. These cases can be further classified into mini size, mid size, and full size tower case. PC cases also come in many shapes and size. They will house your PC components, either big and small. The best PC cases offers a jumping off point of your dream gaming PC build, but can also be the finishing touch that makes your computer stand out from the rest. Alright, we continue with the computer mouses. Computer mouses is the handheld pointing device that detects two-dimensional motion relative into a surface. This motion is typically translated into the motion of a pointer of a display, which allows a best gaming mouse is basically as an extension of your own self, reaching into every game world that you encounter. This is one of the primary ways you interact with your games. And the best mouse is the necessary tools for reaching your full potential. With snappy sensor and ergonomic grips, the best gaming mouse will give you extra accuracy and bold response that can mean the difference between victory and defeat in fast-paced game. So that's all from our group. We hope that you enjoy exploring our website and gain more knowledge. Thank you.